Hi everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. And today we're gonna study about very easy Korean word. 오늘은 저희가 굉장히 쉬운 한글 단어들을 공부해 볼 거예요. Then let's have a look. 그럼 한번 볼까요? Headline. 무엇이 다를까? 무엇이 다를까? That means what is different? So, 기역 자리에 쌍기역을 넣으면 새로운 낱말이 돼요. 회색 글자를 따라 쓰고 각 낱말에 알맞은 그림을 찾아 선으로 연결해요. So, this word is slightly different and this. Just here is 기역 and down below here is 쌍기역 and 기역 쌍기역, 기역, 쌍기역. So let's have a look. 그럼 한번 볼까요? First one, 기역 plus 우 plus ending consonant 리을 is 굴. 굴 is cave. Cave in Korean is 굴. And also 굴 means oyster, the seafood. But here is picture cave. So like connect. Cave in Korean is 굴. 이것은 굴입니다. This is cave. And here down below here's 기역 and 쌍기역 is double K and 우 and 리을. So this is 꿀. 이것은 꿀입니다. 꿀 is honey. Honey in Korean is 꿀. And honeybee, this honeybee in Korean is 꿀벌. Because 꿀 is honey and 벌 means bee. This could be. And then next, so this is 고리. 기역 plus 오, 고 and 리을 L and E is I. 고리 is ring or loop. So this is 고리. 이것은 고리입니다. And the next one is, so here is 기역 and here is double consonant 쌍기역. So 쌍기역 is double K and O is O. 꼬리, samely. 꼬리 is tail. Tail in Korean is 꼬리. Animal's tail. 이것은 꼬리입니다. And then next, 기역 plus 가다. 가다 means just go. So 가다. So going car and going walk and just go means 가다. And 쌍기역 double consonant 쌍기역 double K 까다 same 다. 까다 means peel in Korean is 까다. So it's peel. So this picture means peel an orange. So this is orange and peel, like peel. Okay. So for example, peel an orange in Korean is 오렌지를 까다. That means peel an orange. Orange. This is A. Peel an orange in Korean is 오렌지를 까다. So I'm gonna speak everything one more time. 굴 is cave. Honey is 꿀. And ring is 고리. And tail is 꼬리. Go means 가다. And peel means 까다. 굴, 고리, 가다, 까다. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 좋아요와 구독하기 눌러주세요, 여러분. Then see you later, guys. 다음에 봐요.